dough.
All right, so what really pissed me off about these cops is like, why would you sit over there? Oh, he got the big scroll of ticket paper. But why would you sit over there if you don't want people to do crazy stuff leaving the car meet? You see how effective this is sitting right there? Because you make everybody go to one lane so they have to slow down. Like, if you did that instead, nah, they don't care about that. They just want to write tickets, I guess. Yeah, they just want to sit on the opposite side and write your citation for going 5 miles over the speed limit at 9 o'clock in the morning when there's no traffic, you know, next to a highway, you know. So you can't be too loud next to a highway. Like, don't rev your engines next to a highway. Tag me though. Tag me though. I was thinking about those exact louvers the other day, and I didn't do it. I got the nostrils instead, but I might still go ahead and get those because they look really good. Yeah, he go boost like me. Got the Boss 302 intake on here, man. Big spinning boy. Got the Pro Charger. Oh, he got the big tire on the back. Racing seats. Oh yeah, that's nice. Carbon fiber hood. Got that front bumper I want. Y'all tell me, man. Should I go ahead and do that? Cause I've been eyeballing them. Cause clearly here's a real, here's a GT500 right here, man. But with the new fascia, new bumper, so you can see the different headlights, different hood, obviously on the 5.0s and 2018s and up, stuff like that. But got the GT500 out here, man. We got two different forms of forced induction out here. Got the Shelby names on here. So this one got the two twins set up. And then this one got the Roush supercharger on it. I've heard from a lot of people though that the Roush superchargers on these new gens is not where it's at though, but still clean nonetheless. Hey, motorcycle Chris, man. Hey. You get a motorcycle, dog.
Guys, should I buy this? This is a perfect fit for me, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I got the gray foot, we got the destroyed gray.
Got a little flake in the paint, too.
Woo. Oh, yeah, it does.
See a little blue in it, yeah.
You take it to PC Custom.
11.2.
I ain't gonna lie. If I would get up here, I'd go be like something like that.
3,000 miles.
Or we can go with the stealthy look.
Oh, no. Oh man, what's up, man?
Guys, 728 Auto.
Yes, sir.
Pretty cool guy. We're at Mint Motorcycle.
Y'all got a nice selection of bikes in here, man. I'm too scared for a bike, but boy over here might want one.
The man will take care of you.
All right, man. What's your name?
Ozzy.
Ozzy, man. Y'all gotta come see Ozzy.
For sure, man. You come here, we'll take care of you 100%.
Boy, this big boy right here, boy. They want this for 11.9. Man, look, man, I don't know anything about motorcycles, so I hope y'all not looking to me for no commentary. I'm just looking at the colors and the designs, because I have literally no idea what I'm looking at right now. I guess that's how some people feel about cars, right? It's like, oh, I know that it's a Mustang or that's a Charger or whatever, but like, what is this thing right here, man? That mother big boy. That's big boy.
That's if you like a tall guy.
Something, man. This bike right here, 15, the Ninja. They have different warranties and stuff. This Ninja's small though. I bet this thing's Stupid fast, huh? Look at me, I still have no idea. I don't know, it might be slow, I don't know. I think anything with a Japanese symbol on the side gonna be quick, huh? 64.99, I don't know, might not be that fast, I don't know. At a whole nother spot, man. Chris about to blow me out with that copyright music. It's a cute little bike right here, man. The Ducati Diavo, or how he said, Diavo, or whatever. Got K-Skate with the Hellcat. Got the bag, the SRT Jeep. 392, Carter 392, man. Then we over here. Big posted up front, man. They got the band on the patio. This Kilo's son right here, man. You see, he acting bad, man. Tag him, no. See me over here. Bam. Out here with the big nostrils on, man. I just put them on the other day, man. Follow my Instagram. You would have already knew that. Boy, Bloody Scat in the building. With the 392, gang gang. Bloody Scat. Tag him, no.
Money talks, I'm the only thing these broke boys should be talking about. They talking greasy, I'm in the trap every day. What? Stay in the trap, get racks every day. She fuck with me now, I told her to leave. I'm hooking in the water, she liking my bed. Ain't saving a hoe, I do her cave. You beef with me, don't think you ever save. I hop in the foreign and drive like a race. You sipping the Henny, I don't need a chase. We dodging the feds, ain't catching no case. I swear, make one day. Don't think you ever save.
Hey, make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. We going up.